Pavelic, let me go out to you, because not only do you know the players, you were at the house. One of the things that's happened here is we have not been able to hear in this courtroom whether or not there are other motivations for Mr. Diamond, Investigator White, and Ms. Kaplan to have testified against Dr. Lee. Perhaps you might enlighten us.
I can tell you emphatically, without any hesitation whatsoever, that Stanley White absolutely abhorred and hated Dr. Lee, not only in the case involving Phil Spector, but he aired many of his grievances and conclusions in the O.J. Simpson case, in the Scott Peterson's case. He just simply hated Dr. Henry Lee, a wonderful person who I've known for approximately 15 years. With regards to Gregory Diamond, I mean, he absolutely adored Bob Shapiro. He would have done anything for Bob Shapiro. At some point in time, as I understand it, they entered into a personal business venture, writing a script for a reality show of some type, and that ended up being a business dispute. So we have a motive as far as Mr. Diamond is concerned. With Sarah Kaplan, my old friend, someone that I've known for many years and admired for many years, I don't know what happened to her. I knew that she threw up the day that she testified. I felt that her testimony was false, and when she made an emphatic statement that Stanley White was not part of the inspection team, that he could not have seen anything or heard anything because he was ordered to be outside, that was totally false. I provided the court with the photograph. The court had an opportunity to review that testimony. She was clearly wrong on that. She was wrong on a number of other areas, in my opinion, and therein lies the problem. Having said that, there is a master of deceit here, and his name is Patrick Dixon. He's the district attorney. This district attorney has been embroiled in the past in the jailhouse snitch incidents. That's what he does. He penetrates defense teams. I know this man. I've known him for a long time, and I think this whole thing could have been should not have come to surface. And I believe that Patrick Dixon had a role in why this thing came out the way it did.
I want to probe this issue of this photograph. As I understand it, Sarah Kaplan says that Stanley White was not in the room. And as I understand it, you were there. You have a photograph that shows that Stanley White was in the room. Am I correct? That they're both in the room?
You're absolutely correct.
So you provide...
Not only that he is in the room, but he's with the flashlight and doing an examination.
Okay,
which totally contradicts.
Which contradicts her testimony. You provide that photograph to whom? The defense or the prosecution?
Both.
Then where...
I provided that photograph to both.
Okay, so each side gets a copy of that photograph, which does show that... I'm just going to say that Sarah Kaplan is mistaken. Let me just say she's mistaken. I mean, I can certainly... I'm not going to impugn a lie to her, but that she's mistaken. She doesn't remember if he was in the room. But you bring in the photograph. That photograph did not get admitted in evidence, right?
Patrick Dixon and the district attorney's office did not provide the photograph nor the letter that I sent to the court until minutes before Judge Fiedler made his ruling.
Okay, let me move over.
I don't even know if Judge Fiedler reviewed it.
It's all rather fascinating. Let me move over to Beth Karras for a